Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is April 14, 2021, week number 15 of the year. And markets look like they're slowing down a little bit, but this is still good. The Dow is up by 200 points. The big news of today is Coinbase direct listing. But before I go on with any stock trades or options trades for today, a couple of things I want to say before we begin. You can find me at Solving Chaos in Facebook, or you can go to a Facebook group, Investing 102. Or you can find me in a Facebook group, Investing 102. For those who want to join the challenge, we are starting something new next week. We're doing this help you find some money to pay down some debt. It's a short challenge. You can do it for a few days, it's 6 days, but you have a month to come up with some money. There are different things that we're going to show you and teach you. There's no cost to this. You can just fill out this form. Or you can go to, again, Solving Chaos Facebook page. You'll find the link where you can join up for this challenge. On to E-Trade. So let's see what type of trades I can do. You see I have this particular Iron Condor. And this Iron Condor is being tested on the short call side. So there's a couple things I could do. Do I roll this out? Do I wait for another negative day? We haven't had a negative day in the S&P for a while. So there's a couple ways I can play this. I may just want to fix this side of the trade. So I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to roll this a little bit further up because we are $40 away with only 2 weeks left. So I may just roll this up. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that. You can either add the legs and manually build it, or on E-Trade, you can just basically select the 2 legs that you care about and then just hit the roll button. And now you have to manually fix it. You see, it assume that you're going to roll it out into the future with the same price. What I'm going to do is roll it to the same date. Because what that means is I want to play the same thing, but I would like to move it up. Let's just, I don't know yet. We'll just see what the choices are. So that's only moving up $7. This one I can't do. Oh, you could do that. Okay, something like that. But you see, this is not even worth it. To do all this work, you're getting $5 minus commission. So let's find a better price for this. Okay, I decided to do this. This is about $28 away or so. You'll collect the 15 cents per contract. I may have to do it for 14 cents. This doesn't mean it's a good trade. I still may get tested on the other side, but I'm just narrowing it up, trying to collect more premium on the untested side. That's all I'm doing. So let's just put that in. Hit refresh. May not go unless I lower it to 14 cents or 13 cents per contract. While I'm waiting for the S&P, what did get executed was this here. My Chronos, I actually shortened it up. It was in a June 16, $13 one. Marijuana, cannabis stuff has been dropping, so I've shortened it up, lowered the strike price close to the market, collect a premium, and that's what I did. It's another $17, $18 in my pocket, and then we'll see how that plays out. And since, here you go, the 4 SPYs, I did roll them up, and I have another one to do. You see this one? This is a 15 wide Iron Condor, where I think we're not going to get tested on the upside. I think we should be fine. And for this one, I may let it go much closer and let time expire more because I lost money on some other ones. So I want to try to make it up instead of hitting 30 or 40%. This one's not being tested. So I'm going to roll these. I'm going to roll this put side a little bit closer to capture a little bit more premium. And in order to do that, you hit the roll button, and there you go. And now we're just going to select the prices again and the time. In here, I'm just going to roll it up about $12 on both legs. Make sure the dates are right. So I think that's okay. Let's try that. We'll put that in. Let's roll this one up. You see how this is moving $3 in one day for Fastly. I'm going to roll it up 1 week. I'm looking for a price where the bid and ask is more narrow. I can move it all the way up here, but the problem is the bid and ask is so wide that I may only get 5 or 10 cents, or well, not 5 or 10, but 15 cents, 20 cents. You're not going to get close to the mid. So I'm not going to do that. I'd rather just move it up somewhere where the bid and ask are reasonably close so that I can try to get the most premium I can. So I'm going to shoot for this one here, and then I don't know what's going to work. I'll just record it and then we'll see what happens. Okay, you see it. Fastly did go across. The premium is over 120. It's about 119 or so. As you can see, I did do the 7 SPY. I did move it up a little bit for a little bit more credit. So let's see what else I can do next. I just rolled Rocket Mortgage. I moved it down into the future. I added a lot of time. I skipped over May, went straight to June. I lowered it $1. I collected a small premium. It's not a lot. It's 40, it's 41 cents there, or $41. Let's look for the next thing. Okay, next one. I rolled a cover call on MJ. I rolled it out 2 more weeks, and I lowered it $1 more. And I collected another premium here. You can see that. That is about 41 cents. And breaking news, Coinbase is trading nearly $400, which is so much. That's why I don't really chase anything. I just stick to a plan that works. But I just want to let you know, you see that $400 right here. The price of this was supposed to be like $250. An analyst has a $600 rating on it already. This is now a $100 billion business. Back to my trading, that will not impact me. Here you go. This one is a cannabis play. I'm going to roll this one up $1 or so. I don't think I have maybe I do have a choice. Maybe I'll roll it up very little. Maybe I'll just do something like this, 50 cents higher. I'll collect a little bit more premium. And the reason why I'm doing something like this is not because I know where the price will be, but I already have a really far dated option that's at a $19 one. So I'm just going to move this up a little bit so I can play this more every 2 weeks, collect some premium every 2 weeks. So that's the strategy behind that one. You want to stagger them a little bit, use different strike price and different expiration dates. So let's do that one. Okay, here's the next one that just went across. I rolled it out and up. This is a cover call, and I got, here you go, you see that? That's $30 on that. So what does that mean? I added 2 weeks in time, 14 days. I collected the $30 premium. That works out to about an extra $2 a day. The strike price moved in my favor, so that's an extra $50 in my pocket if this thing gets called out. And so the return on investment, if you just look at it from a premium point of view, you divide it by, divided by the 16 as the denominator. And if you convert that, let me just fix the formula so you see it. It's the C34, $30 divided by, it's 16, but I forgot to make it 100 shares. And then, whoops, I shouldn't do that. And it's 2% is the answer. Convert that into a percentage and make it more. So my extra return just on the $30 premium is really a 1.88 rate of return for 2 weeks. You divide it up, you're making about 1%, a little bit under 1% a week. And again, income collection really matters in options trading. Okay, I want to put on another trade. So I'm trying to put on a new Iron Condor. This one is 44 days out. Here's what I'm thinking, 10 wide. This is about I think the delta is it 17%? 17, I believe. Yep. And then on the bottom side, free 75 is a really low risk. Free 75 is down here. Free 75 is a 11 delta, minus 11 delta, 4% chance of happening. That's what I'm looking at. It has a decent premium. Again, I'm not looking to make a lot of money on these trades. I always go for small profits, and small profits is all I need. I just need to be consistent. So let me see what the right number of contracts is. And there you go. I got it for $1.50 or so. It looks kind of messy because they broke it up, but it's okay. Just want to let you know the trade did go across. I have a new Iron Condor on SPY. Again, this is a little bit further out. It's a May 28, 44 days out. With that being said, I'm pretty sure I'm done with my trades for today. But let me just end with this. The market did turn a little bit. You can see that NASDAQ is heading down. S&P 500 is down. But we're still near the high, so I'm not really concerned about this. What I would like to see is maybe 2 or 3 days of more down days. And at that point, if that happens, what I'm going to do is close out some of my iron condors that I have open, because what that does is it brings it closer to my midpoint, and that's where my optimum profitability is in a lot of my iron condors. So we have to see what happens. I don't really know if it's just a short 1-day reversal. I just have to see how I'm going to play it out. I know that mathematically you can't just have 8, 9, 10, 15 days of up days and very few reds. The last 3 weeks have mostly been green. So I've been waiting for some more red days to come up so I can close some of my iron condors. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Comment below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you're trading. Let me know if you're off to a better start than I am for Q2. My April has been horrible. Half the month is gone. And not only did I not show a profit, but I don't know how much I'm going to make this month. I'll be happy if I close out the month close to even, and then we'll see if I can just crawl my way back up to the green side. As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time, and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.